Today we're doing the install of the Strainrite Agri 25 solar Energizer. First step is to slide this bar through the Energizer and fasten it Next we flip the solar panel over and turn it around the right way. So that's up and it's mounted. Put the bolts through here. Tweak them up with a 13mm socket or spanner. Now on the Energizer it shows it's got a photo of the solar panel where these two cords need to connect to. So red one in there and black in the black. And also while it's here it's easier to put in the battery leads. So it's got a little battery symbol here. And again, black to black, red to red. Just slide it over the top of the steel post there. Can hook the battery up. Hook the earth. Power. The earth onto that steel stake and the power onto the fence. We can turn it on using the on-off tag. So when you turn it off, it makes two beeps. Turning it on, one beep. These are magnetised, so if you want you can keep one on the steel post.